Hi guys! Hello, hello! So, I will be breaking my fast at maybe 13 hours or so. Kasi late na kami nag-dinner kagabi. Kasi nga, nag-OT si hubby. So, eto lang muna. 2 eggs and 1 piece of fatty pork. Binigay ko yung liver lahat kay hubby. So, ito lang yung tinira ko para sa sarili ko kasi mas kailangan niya yun. Ako kasi anytime I can cook. 24 hours duty siya. So, hindi siya pwedeng pabayaan kasi love na love yun. So, 2 itlog and isang piraso ng taba ng mamoy. That's it. So, hindi po ako nagpapagutom ha. Low carb foods gives me the satisfaction na mabusog agad-agad. So, yung tawag doon is satiety. Yun. Tas anytime na magugutom ako and ayoko pa naman ng meal or wala lang, hindi ko pa feel kumain, just black coffee with equal sweetener. So, that's all muna. Thank you for watching. Love, love, love. So, gawin na lang natin itong mas mahaba-haba. Wala namang problema. Guys, you can comment down below if you want to ask anything that I'm doing. So, hindi po ako nagpapapayat para maging payat. I am doing or we are doing this low carb way of eating for our body to heal. Promise. Marami siyang benefits na naibibigay. So, in the beginning or in the beginning, hindi ka po magpapagutom, kakain ka hanggang ikaw ay, sorry to say, masuka. Kakain ka pero hindi ka tataba. So, ipaprogram mo yung sarili mo or yung body mo to consume fats. So that, pag nasanay na siya, yung sarili mo mismo, taba ng katawan o yung fats sa body, yung tutulong sa'yo to fuel. Nakakabata pa yung low carb promise. I'm proud to be malapit na 43 anytime soon. And look at me. Maraming nagsasabi I'm on my teenage years. Maraming nagsasabi I'm on my 20s. So, thank you.